In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display the Layers panel in Canva. If you've ever worked on a design with multiple text boxes, images, and shapes, you've probably noticed how easy it is for things to overlap or get lost behind one another. That's where the Layers panel comes in. It helps you see exactly what's in your design and how everything is stacked, so you can organize and edit with ease. Let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. Take a quick look around your canvas to get familiar with the layout. Every element you add, whether it's a photo, text, or graphic, sits on its own layer. Understanding this structure makes it much easier to control how your design looks. Now, find any element in your design. It can be a picture, a text box, or even a simple shape. Once you've selected one, right-click on it. This is a feature many people overlook, but right-clicking opens up a handy context menu filled with useful options. From this menu, hover your mouse over the option labeled Layer. Don't click just yet, just hover. When you do, you'll see another submenu appear. In that submenu, you'll find the option Show Layers. Go ahead and click Show Layers. And just like that, the Layers panel will pop up on the side of your screen. The Layers panel is your design's roadmap. It shows all the elements you've used and how they're stacked from top to bottom. You can click and drag to reorder elements, group or ungroup items, and rename layers if needed. This gives you precise control over your design, especially when you're dealing with complex layouts or overlapping visuals. For example, if a photo is covering your text, you can easily drag that text layer above the photo in the panel instead of guessing on the canvas. It's simple, clean, and saves a lot of time. Once you're comfortable using it, the Layers panel can completely change the way you design in Canva. You'll work faster, make cleaner adjustments, and understand your project structure at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully opened and used the Layers panel in Canva. Keep practicing these steps and explore how layering affects your overall design. The more familiar you get with this panel, the more control and creativity you'll have in every project. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the other tutorials for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.